Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to our YouTube channel CognitiveCoders. I hope you guys are doing well, and today we are going to learn the timestamp related functions. Okay, so here we will learn some mostly used functions related to timestamp in PySpark today. Okay, if you have not seen our Databricks PySpark related other functions video, you can go to here, go to here, and you can watch these functions. All the videos are very much important, and whatever functions we have discussed here, whatever the content we have discussed here, that's really important in our today's industrial level work in data engineering. Okay. Yeah, so these are the playlists you can go through, data factory. Okay, so let's go in our today's topic. So first, I have written all the code you can see, so I'll go through each and every line of the code and you will get to understand what is happening. Okay, so first of all, if I'll run it, so it is basically in using the joining date, it is basically taking the current timestamp. Okay, so the basic data frame, if you want to see, so I'm creating the basic data frame with this data. So these are the imported function. You can import it in your in the in a separate cell also. Okay, so if I'll run it, you'll get a data frame. Okay, so now we have to implement one column with joining date with current timestamp. Okay, so using the current timestamp function, current timestamp I've already imported from the functions okay, library. Okay, so you can see the timestamp, it is coming. So if I'll get to see the data type, it is timestamp data type. Okay, after that, what it is, the lead function. So using the lead function, you can give a basic string value for all the joiners. Okay, so what it is doing, let's see. So using the lead function, all the values are same for each and every candidate. Okay, basically for all the rows we are passing the same value using the lead function. Now what we'll do, so you the truncate is false to get all the data because the data are too long. That's why I have given the truncate is false. If I'll remove the truncate is false, then you will get to see how the things are coming. So joining date time, I am taking one new column using the two timestamp. What we are doing, using the two timestamp, whatever we have given here, it is a string format. If you see, you can see the new joining date, it is a string form, it is in string format. So we are just making it to timestamp format, so that's why we are passing mmdd. We are just giving the format whatever it is. So first it is then dd, then yyyy, it is there, then and ss. So if I'll run it, it will come to the timestamp format. First it will come year, month, then date, then hour, minute, second, so like this. So if you will get to see the timestamp format. So here truncate is false, I need to create, otherwise I will not able to see the whole data. So by default truncate is true. So if I'll run it, you can see all the data are I can visible. Okay, next, so what I am doing here, I am just taking all the columns, and from there we are extracting from the joining date timestamp, from the joining date timestamp, means this joining date timestamp. From joining date timestamp we are extracting hour, minute and second using the hour function, minute function and second function. it is basically extracting all the things. Okay, so these are the functions related to timestamp, time related function, which is really important in our daily activities in PySpark. Okay, in industrial level we used to use very much. So okay, that's why I'm showing you here. So this kind of all the necessary functions I have discussed in this playlist. If you still have not visit our channel, you can visit and you can see that. Okay, so thanks for watching our video, and stay tuned. And if you still have not subscribed our channel, I'd recommend you guys to subscribe our channel Cognitive Coders, share with your friends, and help us to create a big community, big data engineering community on behalf of Cognitive Coders. So and also help us to create our grow our channel. Okay, get the traffic. Okay, so and also this would be the useful for all the data engineering aspirant people. uh, okay, so thank you. If you still have not subscribed, I once again I would recommend you subscribe and press the bell icon for next update. Thank you, bye.